What's up guys? Hope you are doing safe. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you like this video, please smash the like button. And if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. Today, we are going to talk about the stock that I have purchased last week in one of my brokerage account that's called Fidelity. And also I have done some analysis about the stock. And I'm going to discuss with you about the company and why I purchased the stock. Can we start the video? Let's go. I have purchased a blank check company just by trusting a man called Bill Ackman. You guys are already aware of him. He is a famous investor in Wall Street with a worth of more than $10 billion. I have purchased a share called the ticker symbol PSTS.U. It's nothing but Pershing Square Tontine Holdings Underwriters. I have purchased more than 40 shares with the average cost of 21.73 just by trusting this man.
So the investors are doing kind of gambling just by trusting the man Bill Ackman that he will take the right decision when he is buying the company with this money. If you look into the portfolio of Bill Ackman, the current top holdings are Chipotle, Burger King, and also he is holding Starbucks that he purchased in March, and also he's holding Hilton and Park hotels, respective to the hotel. He's holding large position in it. And recently he purchased Blackstone Group, and also he updated his portfolio with some other stock recently that he purchased Howard. So these are the stocks he's holding majorly in his portfolio that is currently outperforming the market. The thing is that some of the portfolio outperformed S&P 500 and it returned more than 29 percentage in the same time frame. And also, he is building kind of a strong performance throughout the year. So the Bill Ackman hedge fund is ended with net performance of 58.1 percentage as per the December portfolio update from the company. So he is like successful investor in stock market.
Before we discuss about the stock that I purchased last week, let's talk about what is meant by blank check company or SPAC. It is special purpose acquisition company which has no commercial operation and their only motive is to raise the capital through IPO just to acquire a particular company. It's called blank check company or SPAC. The company is going to public via SPAC have been outperformed IPO and the broader stock market index. Some of the noticeable SPAC that have been released this year are Nikola Corporation and DraftKings. So Nikola, for example, after it came to public, the stock has been appreciated more than 200% after it started trading. So this year alone, before PSTH.U itself, the company has been raised more than $16 billion, which surpassing the historical high of $12 billion last year.
If you check the chart that the company raised via SPAC activity, now in 2020 alone, it has reached all-time high. If you see last year, 2019, the company has raised more than $12 billion via SPAC. So this year, it's all-time high compared to previous years.
The SPAC Special Purpose Acquisition Company plans to go public with 200 million at 20 each, led by Bill Ackman. And the company already has cash with $5 billion through IPO.
When we asked for in the Bloomberg interview, the company that he's going to buy with this money,
The target universe is probably 150 companies total, $10 billion plus private companies. There are more that we're not including. We're not including in that subsidiaries of large corporations. We're not including some employee-owned businesses in that list. But the list is broader than 150. We think the top third will meet our quality thresholds. We're looking for a simple, predictable, free cash flow generative company with very high barriers to entry, with minimal exposure to what we call risks, extrinsic risk we can't control. We're looking for the super durable, great growth business that we can own for the next decade. That's kind of the target. The list is a list that we have in mind. There may be others we're not aware of. We welcome the phone call, but we're going to comb through that list. Stick with me, Vonnie, if you will, please. We're going to look at every deal over the next, we're going to see every deal over the next 6 months. I mean, this is what's interesting about this transaction is every investment banker around the globe is aware that we've just raised the largest blank check company in the world. We've got $5 billion of capital that we're looking forward to committing to buy a minority common stock interest in a company. It's the only such pool in the world. I refer to it in a way as its own unicorn. And basically, we're in a unicorn mating dance, and we want to, marry a very attractive unicorn on the other side that meets.
So I have opened my Fidelity account portfolio. If you see here, I have purchased PSTHU shares with average cost of 21.73 per share and with total cost of $880. And also I have purchased these shares on Thursday in my Fidelity account.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video was really helpful for you guys to understand what is meant by SPAC or blank check company, and also what I have purchased last week in my portfolio. I will see you guys next week with some other content. Until then, please subscribe this channel and like the video and share it with your friends. We'll see you next week. Thank you guys. Take care and see you soon.